This is Yoruba Palace in Ghana. Are you surprised? Are you really surprised? Don't be. Thank you all yesterday for the birthday wishes. But those who sent me money, who reposted my photos, who sent me sweet, thoughtful, beautiful messages, I love you all so much. Hi. In my next word, this is the best birthday I've celebrated in my entire life. I love you all so much. Now let's get back to business. Yeah. These Yoruba people have their own palace. They have their own Oba in Ghana. And the palace itself is even older than the palace of the Igbo king. These were the people that were all over the place pushing Ghanaians to fight against Ndịgbo because of Eze Chukwudi Ihenetsu. But behind the scenes, they have their own king and palace. When many Ghanaians discovered that this Yoruba palace existed, they were very, very angry because they felt they had been misled all along. That's chameleonic behavior. They always don't beat the allegation. Let me tell you, they have palace in Gambia. They have palace in almost all the African countries. Chillax, I'm coming. I'm coming with my exposition. Please, let's watch the video together.
Oh, I don't know if you guys have seen this viral video. It is trending right now that there is this massive Yoruba kingdom in Kasua, Ghana. And we have so many Yorubas in the comment section. There we are, of course, applauding them. And they kept saying that Yoruba kingdom is not as dangerous as Igbo kingdom. It's safe to say that these guys, they've brought tribalism to Ghana. They moved all their wahala from Nigeria, tribalism that has eaten deep into Nigeria, to Ghana. I know how they condemned Igbo king. At a point, it was even looking like Igbos were fighting with Yorubas during the time of Chief Yenetu. And now they think it is okay for them to have a Yoruba kingdom in Ghana. Emphasis on the fact that it is not as dangerous as Igbo kingdom in Ghana. Please let us know in the comment section, if you're Ghanaian watching, is it safe for you guys to have a Yoruba kingdom in Ghana? Because some people are saying that Yorubas are from Ga tribe. That means they are descendants of Ga tribe. So they are all Ghanaians. Please let me know in the comment section. Is it okay for Yorubas to have a kingdom in Ghana, whereas the Igbos are not allowed to have a kingdom in Ghana? I just love the fact that we've already seen some Nigerian content creators, even Ghanaian content creators, they said that people should start making content about that. If you criticized and condemned Igbo chief in Ghana, then why will you applaud a Yoruba kingdom in Ghana? Please leave me your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to follow for more.
Madam Asha, now you can understand why I called you a bloody hypocrite. Your people have a large palace in Ghana with an Oba, and it's been there for a long time. But when the issue of Eze Chukwudi Ihenetsu came up, many of you were very quick to start calling the Igbos arrogant, disrespectful, and domineering. You condemn the Igbo community without telling the full story or acknowledging that other Nigerian communities also have traditional structures and leadership outside Nigeria. This is exactly the problem I have been talking about. Double standards. When it's another group doing the same thing, it is called culture, tradition, and community leadership. But when it is the Igbo people, it suddenly becomes arrogance, expansion, or disrespect. That is not fair, and it is not honest. All we ask for is fairness and truth. Let the same standards be used for everyone. Do not judge one group differently from another group for doing similar things. If something is wrong, then it is wrong for everybody. If it is acceptable, then it is acceptable for everybody. So, Madam Asha, this is why I said what I said. People should stop the hypocrisy and be honest in their judgments and opinions. Let the heavens and the earth be the judge. Truth does not hide forever. One day, everything will become clear, and everyone will see things for what they truly are. Do you need a trusted travel agent to handle your trips stress-free? From flight bookings to hotel reservations and full travel planning, I've got you covered. Send me a DM now and let's plan your next trip the easy way. Bye. Don't miss out. Register your kids in our Igbo and mathematics classes today. If your kids don't know how to speak Igbo or solve maths, bring them into my academy. You won't regret it. We also have lands for sale in Nteje, Anambra State. It is just 800 meters away from the airport and 600 meters away from the new building material. Yes, the land ranges from 15 million upwards, and it has C of O and every legalized documentation needed. If you are interested, send me a DM for more inquiries. Thank you. Bye.